Is AI going too far, too fast? Will its rapid development lead to the collapse of too many jobs? Will it really destroy humanity? Elon Musk and other tech leaders seem to think so. If you've followed the news or been on social media recently, you may have heard about how far AI has come. With programs like ChatGPT becoming more popular for generating a wide range of text, people are both wary and optimistic. Some see AI as a tool limited only by the user's imagination. It's believed that there's untapped potential in business development, financial analysis, programming, and creative generation. However, others see AI as a slippery slope. They foresee AI doing irreparable damage to a wide range of industries. Billionaire CEO Elon Musk is of this mindset. Musk and dozens of tech leaders, including researchers and professors, signed a letter published by the Future of Life Institute. The letter calls for artificial intelligence labs to stop developing and training their AI systems for at least 6 months. This letter comes not long after OpenAI announced an even stronger version of the technology that serves as the basis for the chatbot ChatGPT. The more advanced technology in the new GPT-4 was shown drafting lawsuits and passing standardized tests to demonstrate its potential. The letter goes on to say that in that paused timeframe, independent experts should collaborate to draft sets of protocols for AI tools and their use. It also notes that AI technology should be planned for and managed with the same kind of energy it's being developed with. It's a reasonable call, considering how much integration it has achieved in various industries so far. The letter also notes that governments should step in and create a moratorium if a pause is not initiated soon. There is at least some basis for that. Some governing agencies abroad have introduced early iterations of AI governance frameworks. Following the release of that open letter, Bill Gates challenged the AI critical claims. The Microsoft founder said that pulling the plug on AI's technology growth wouldn't solve the challenges. He went on to add that pausing AI production is impractical, noting that the details of a pause would likely be too complex to enforce. Getting every country on board to halt a growing division of technology would be tricky too. Though Gates understands the concerns about AI, he sees it as having huge benefits we have yet to tap into. Instead of calling for a pause on AI production, he claims that industry leaders should focus on those tricky areas where AI might pose problems. It is also worth mentioning that Microsoft has invested heavily in AI technology, more specifically, OpenAI. It is speculated that Gates' company invested $10 billion in January. Many think this move was made to compete with Google's attempts at commercializing the rising technology and breakthroughs in artificial intelligence. Back in February, Microsoft incorporated AI technology into its search engine, Bing. The incorporated technology features some of ChatGPT's capabilities. Which industries will AI impact the most? It's important to understand which sectors of the workforce will see these changes as a result of AI technology. In some circles, the change has already started. It's slow and gradual, but ChatGPT has already seen some use in the business world. Here are some industries most likely to be impacted by AI. Of course, the first is the tech industry. As we mentioned earlier, Google and Microsoft are already looking to capitalize on this emerging technology. It's shiny and new. It's easy for them to incorporate into their search engines. But what other impacts could AI have on tech as a whole? When looking at it from a job perspective, AI has the potential to displace a lot of previously stable jobs. From coding to computer programming, software engineering, and analyzing data, AI will be able to do it all. ChatGPT and other AI tools have demonstrated proficiency in crunching numbers with fair accuracy. In fact, ChatGPT can actually produce lines of code faster than humans can. That makes it sound like we're becoming obsolete. OpenAI is even considering replacing software engineers with AI. Despite that, some experts claim that AI will serve as a tool for those working in the tech field. They argue that it will make work faster, easier, and will allow for smaller teams of people. Whether it entirely replaces certain jobs or just streamlines the processes involved in tech jobs, you have to wonder just how many people will be displaced by these changes. The next industry to see change from AI integration is media. More specifically, AI will have an effect on content creation. Because of its proficiency in reading, writing, and understanding text-based data, tools like ChatGPT will find a place in the industry. Can't think of any specific jobs this will impact? Advertising, technical writing, and journalism are more specific fields that will definitely see change if the technology is implemented. In fact, some already have. BuzzFeed recently announced that it will begin using technology from ChatGPT to generate new forms of content. The popular media site debuted its first AI-generated quiz. Other media companies have begun experimenting with the technology, generating multiple AI-assisted pieces. Experts note that at some point, ChatGPT and similar tools may improve to the point where they write and report better than humans. At that point, will media companies still keep their employees around? We'll have to wait and see. A third area that could see heavy influence from AI technology is the finance industry. As we've covered, artificial intelligence has become efficient at dealing with numbers. When it comes to research analysis, financial analysis, and personal financial advice, there could be a shift towards AI. With its current capabilities, AI can identify market trends, highlight performance issues with investments, and analyze other forms of numerical data to make new suggestions to companies and individuals alike. With AI still improving, the prospect of automating the field may seem tempting to financial leaders. That automation could then put a wide range of financial experts out of work. A fourth and final area of impact across industries is graphic design. AI technology has come far enough to do more than just generate text. There are now an array of AI tools to generate images as well. In fact, 3 professors identified DALL-E as a potential disruptor for the entire field of graphic design. The AI tool is capable of generating images in seconds based on a set of prompts. Similar tools exist with varying levels of realism. The potential results include an entire field of workers upskilled with tools that companies and individuals can use for a fraction of the cost. While we're talking about AI-generated images, it's important to shift to another dangerous aspect of the technology. With AI tools becoming more accurate with generating realistic images and audio, there's a growing concern that it could lead to a growth of misinformation. Worse yet, the tools could be abused and utilized in campaigns of disinformation. Recently, the internet has seen a handful of viral images that turned out to be AI-generated. What were those images? Some of them included the Pope wearing stylish jackets. Another set targeted Elon Musk and GM CEO Mary Barra. A third set that went viral showed former President Trump evading police. All of these realistic images were generated by AI, and some people believe they were real. While that seems harmless and fun, that very same technology could be used to mislead the general public. With these AI tools improving and their images becoming harder to discern from reality, the concern over disinformation grows. What if someone releases false images of a political candidate to hurt their campaign before a crucial election? What false photos influence lawmakers crafting legislation? There are other considerations we have to make with AI technology and its capabilities. There have to be protocols and regulations in place, or AI will damage our society. So we come back to the question at the start: is AI going too far too fast? The answer might be yes. That means we might have to do something about it to limit the impact it could have. Navigating this potential minefield is difficult, and will take experts working together. What are your thoughts on the growth of AI? What effects do you think it will have on society?